Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to clean your cache data in your TikTok account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your TikTok account. Once you're there, you click on this three horizontal line, after which you click on what settings and privacy. Once you get there, you simply need to scroll down. Like if you don't see your TikTok option like this, you simply need to update your TikTok account. After updating your TikTok account, you simply click on what? Free up space. So guys, once you're there, you're going to see TikTok data. You simply click on what? Cache. Click on clean. After which you click on what? Clean. So guys, that's actually the way you clean your TikTok cache data. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.